Hello, guys. Good morning. How are you all doing? Good morning, guys. How are you all doing? Please let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Let me know in a comment if you can hear me. Good morning, guys. Let me know in the comment if you can hear me. Okay, guys, you're welcome. You're welcome. So you can just introduce yourself. You can say your name and where you're joining me from as we wait for others to join. Just say your name and where you're joining me from. State your name and where you're joining me from. Then, if you have any pair you want me to analyze, you can still go ahead and drop that in the comments. I can already see some pairs here. So just state your name and where you're joining me from. It's a new week, and we're super pumped to look for opportunity from the chat. So just go ahead, keep introducing yourself in the comments. Keep introducing yourself in a comment and drop the pairs you want me to analyze. Keep introducing yourself, guys. Keep introducing yourself in the comments. Okay, I can see Justice from Nigeria. You're welcome. I'm glad to have you here with me today. Then I can see Joshua from Abuja. You're welcome. BC Dube from Zambia. Okay. This name is familiar. You're always disturbing me with your setups almost every day. Is that you? Is that you? This name is familiar. Okay. I can see Tomato from Nigeria. You're welcome. MK from Imo State. You're welcome. You're welcome. Okay, just keep dropping the pairs you want me to analyze, and we're just going to look at the chart together. You already know the drill. If you're not joining for the first time, if you've been here with me, you should know that what we do here, you don't need to join with a demo account. You need to join with your live account, because once we get set up, we are trading immediately. So we're not here for for you to just watch and not make money. So we're going to, what I do here every morning, every Tuesday, if you're just joining for the first time, I'm always live here on YouTube every Tuesday, 9 a.m. UK time or Nigerian time. So we come together here, you watch me how I analyze the chart. We analyze the chart together. You can also drop any pair. If you check the comments, you'll see most people drop in their pairs. You can drop any pair you want me to analyze. We'll trade, and if we get setups, we are taking our entries immediately. Immediately, guys. So let's head straight to the chart because we don't have much time. So let's head straight to the chart, guys. So if you're just joining, I trade, my strategy is SMC. So that is what I'll be using to analyze the chart. That's what I'll be using to analyze the chart. So in case the strategy you're still finding difficult to understand it, after the class you can go through my YouTube videos. You will see where I explained my strategy, and like I always say, more videos will be dropping because the aim is to help you become profitable. So if you're on my page, the aim is to help you become profitable in the forex market, not just knowing how to analyze the chart, but how to take your trades confidently once the market is within your POI or around your zone. Take away that fear, because this is one thing I want you guys to understand. Trading, it's not easy, yes, but this is just trading. Like, this is trading literally. Get a good strategy and have the mind to use that strategy. That's all. Get a good strategy and have the mind to use that strategy. What do I mean by have the mind? Get a good strategy, and then once the market is showing you reasons to enter, don't be scared. Don't be scared. Don't be the type that will watch your trades or setups leave you behind. And get a good strategy and then have the mind to trade with it. So guys, we're going to look at the chart now. So currently we are looking at GBP. Currently we are looking at GBP GBP JPY, yes. I'm trying to increase my camera resolution. Okay. Okay. So someone said the video quality is low. Can you guys see it now? Is it clear now? Is it clear? I just increased it to the highest because I wouldn't want you guys to miss out on what I'm doing. So is it clear now? Okay. Okay, I'm also looking at it from my phone here. It's kind of clearer. So, okay, someone is saying it's clear because as I'm streaming, I'm also looking at it here, from my phone, and it's clear here. It's clear. Okay. 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 I guess it's clear now. Okay, guys, so let's not waste much time. Let's look at GBP JPY because that is what we have currently here. I don't know why a lot of things are trying to distract me today. This call should go away. Okay, guys, from GBP JPY, we've gotten this correctional movement that it's pretty massive, which turned GBP JPY from bullish to bearish. Just excuse me, let me put this phone on silent. And put it on do not disturb so that we can focus. All right. Okay, so on GBP JPY, we have this correctional movement which turned, normally we've been buying. There's no insults in the comments. There is one comment I'm seeing now that it's very funny, please. Okay, GBP JPY, we got this correctional movement which turned GBP JPY to, more like we've been having a bearish momentum. And then if you check, we've been buying GBP JPY. If you've been joining my section, we are always buying GBP JPY. Whatever we are looking out for, we are always buying GBP JPY. But now, this massive correctional movement, you can see this line here. If we check from the weekly or let's say the monthly time frame, you can see where it tapped into, which is this level here. Price tapped into this bearish order block, and that's where we got the sharp retracement, which is the sharp bearish retracement, starting from CPI of, like since CPI came out. So from there, we got that sharp retracement. And now if you check from the daily time frame, this is actually, if you check this trend here, because as market is giving a correctional movement, because if you look at it, generally we are still bullish on GBP JPY, but now we need to pay attention to this correctional movement. So generally we are still bullish, but now if you check the trend here, you will see that there is no strong demand zone that can retrace this correctional movement apart from this one that we have here. So that's why I have this particular POI waiting for price to get into that zone. So as price is not yet in that zone, what we should be looking out for is how to sell GBP JPY into this particular zone, and that's what the market has been doing. If we go down to our entry time frame, you will see where it has been retracing, breaking structure to the downside and pushing down to this level. Because if you check from the higher time frame, we don't really have around this level, we don't have a strong demand zone that will hold the sellers back apart from this level. So, and I guess that is where they are targeting. So if you check from the 4 hours too, now, before the market opened, price was kind of reacting on this level, but this is not a POI. It's not like the normal POI I will trade from. So that's why I pointed it out as a support level. That's why I pointed it out as a support level, and I was obviously expecting the market to break it. And you can see this morning it's already broken, so I'll just take it off. So I was expecting the market to break it, and I know that this is where the price is. This is where the price is targeting. So you can see even from 4 hours, if you check this trend here to the upside, there is no clean or strong demand zone that will hold this correctional movement apart from this level. So if you check the order flow of the market, we are pushing down. That is the order flow. And what we should be looking at for now is how to keep selling GBP JPY until we get to this level, then we'll take profit. So let's push it down to our entry time frame. So following time frames, I'm a day trader. So if I want to take my entries, it's always mainly from 15 minutes. Most of my entries are from 15 minutes, but I can also take entries from 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and 1 hour. So once I get entries from there, I don't hesitate. I take my entries, but I do my top-down analysis, just like you guys have seen. I will look at the chart from the higher time frame, understand what is going on, and then look for how to take a bias. Okay. So from 15 minutes, you can see what is going on. You can see price cleared out this structure to the downside. You can see the correctional movements. 15 minutes, it's screaming bearish. Although from the higher time frame, we're generally bullish, we're pushing up. But 15 minutes, it's screaming bearish. And if we are to take entries on GJ, we should be looking for how to sell and get it to that our daily demand zone. So now we got this break of structure, price mitigated it, and you can see the massive sell-off here to the downside. So yesterday I did not actually trade, and it was funny how all my setups were just playing out. So yesterday I was just observing the market to see how volatile it will be this week. So I was just mapping out my setups, including this one, and can see how everything is playing out. Even if we look at BTC, you still see the setups I have there, and I believe most people sent me their setups. So if you're still finding it difficult to message me, if you check the comment section, you will see where I pinned a link. So from there, you can message me. From there, you can also get access to my VIP group. From there, you can get access to my Telegram group. If you click the link, everything is there. So you can always message me with your setup for me to know how far you've gone, understanding the chart and doing your analysis. So, like, I said in the comments, BC Dubé and many others, they're always messaging me with their setups. And if you check their setups, you can see they are really doing well. They are not even in my VIP section yet. They're not even in my VIP group. It's just from joining my live sections and maybe watching my short reels and the rest on IG. And they are doing massively well. So let's continue. So if you check, we have another break of structure here. So I will just target this one. We have another break of structure here. Let me clone this again. We have another break of structure here to the downside. So you can see market is still dipping. Like GJ is targeting that level. It's just for us to know how to join the trend. So we have another break of structure here. So if we are looking to join this particular trend now, if price can retrace into this level, we can keep selling. If we can get a retracement into this level, we can sell GJ, we can sell GBP And another point we should also consider is that we have imbalance present here. So price can easily retrace into this imbalance and we can still sell. But I would preferably sell if price will get here, because if we try to sell here, it may be too expensive for us. So if we can get a retracement into this level, we'll sell, we'll join the sell on GJ. So if we had started earlier, the entry would have been from this level, reacting off this imbalance here. So that's where the entry would have been, from this level, and we'll sell GJ. But if we can get a retracement into this new origin that's caused a break of structure, then we'll keep selling GBP. So this is for people that want to rush and go and join what is going on now. If you try to sell here now, it's kind of expensive. You may be having a massive, drawdown, but I still believe GJ will still sell until it gets into this level. This is where it is targeting. Like I stated, there is nothing that can hold back this particular correctional movement. Nothing. It has a clean movement to this level. So if we can at least get a little retracement, we'll sell GJ again. We'll sell GJ immediately. So that is the analysis I have. That's the analysis I have on GJ now. So we'll look at gold. So on gold, we had a massive sell-off from Thursday last week, which is also a correctional movement. Let's check from the higher time frame here. Now, so from the higher time frame here, you can see we got this massive correctional movement. But if you check, okay, I have a lot of alerts. So let me just remove it so that you guys can view my chart clearly. Okay, so remember, for like 2 weeks, gold kept on ranging around this level, until we got a breakout, which is this breakout structure you can see here. And then we have price retracing back into the origin that caused the breakout structure, which is this level here. So from the daily time frame, this is the origin that caused the breakout structure, and price has tapped into that origin. So personally, I'm expecting a buy retracement on gold from this particular level, a buy retracement. So let's view it from 4 hours. So this is actually the origin. I refined it to 15 minutes, order block. So that's why I'm looking to buy gold, because the correctional movements, just like we were seeing on GJ, this is actually the level the correctional movement was targeting, following the order flow. So as price has tapped into that level, we should be looking for how to buy gold from that particular level. So you can see price tapped in already, and I had this setup here, and you can see price. This is the last break of structure. The price, did to tap into the origin that we got from the higher time frame. So now it's time for us to buy gold, and gold is kind of pushing. So what I'll be expecting is, if we can get because this level now, it's a key level for gold, and if it should come here, that will be a retracement. If it should come into this level, that may be a slight retracement. But then if we can get a break of that level, that will be generally a change of character. It will be a change of character. Any retracement will buy gold and take profit around this level. Will buy gold and take profits around this level, because this is an order block that price has not mitigated yet. So we can buy gold and take profits around this level. So that's what we're looking at for on gold. We've already missed out from this particular entry because this would have been, a reason for us to join because of this change of character here. This change of character here, and then price coming back into the origin that caused the change of character, mitigating it. So it has already taken off, and if we are trying to join the movement here, it will be too massive for us. So we need to wait for another confirmation. So this generally, if we can get a sweep of that level, more like a change of character, any retracement will buy gold. So that's what I'm expecting on gold. That's what I'm expecting on gold. So remember, in any analysis, if you have question, go ahead and drop in the comments. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments, and even if you have a different bias from mine, at the end of the day, we are all speculators. So even if you have a different bias, you can go ahead and place your trade. All right. Okay. So what is the next trade we should be looking out for? Let's look at BTC, my friend. So this is actually the setup we had on BTC. All right, guys, I had to fix something immediately. Had to remove the phone that was disturbing me. Okay, so looking at BTC, can you guys hear me? Let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Okay, so looking at BTC, we got this setup. This is the setup I just mapped out on Monday, but I didn't want to trade off the. I didn't want to trade off the order block because it's kind of massive for me. Looking at this weak rejection and the rest, but you can see price just mitigated the order block and smashed TP. From the point of from the point of reversal, and so this to show you guys that it works. The strategy works if you're using it well. But all you just need to understand is that it requires, patience. Sometimes, just like we've looked at gold, we've looked at GJ, we don't have an instant execution there now. We don't have like an immediate entry. But you just need to wait, map out, set your traps, and wait for price to get into your zone, and then you take your entry. So as BTC has dished out this particular buy, so it was actually a massive. So this is just a trade of up to 154 pips. So it's massive. It's a massive profit. Just tapped in, no much drawdown, and from there it started pushing to the upside. So this is to show you guys that the strategy, even if you're trading indices, even if you're trading crypto, whatever you're trading, it works on that. Just learn it. I will drop in. I've only dropped one video explaining my strategy. I will drop part 2, where you guys will still understand everything concerning the strategy. So now, what is the next line of action on BTC? You can see as price has mitigated this level, this origin, I'm now seeing it as more like a key level, not I'm seeing it as a key level now, as price has mitigated this origin. So it's more like a key level because I'm expecting price to break it. This is another point we need to take a buy on BTC. That is, if price can get there. Last week we were able to take a buy on BTC from this level, which gave us up to 224 pips around this level. You can see the setup is still there, and now from there we got another break of structural price tapped in and we're still moving. But now, as price has tapped into this origin, I will not say we should buy again as price is back. So I'm expecting a break. If price can break, and we can join the correctional movement and get into this level. But if it decides to push up from here, then we need to see a buy confirmation, because what we are seeing here, it's more like choppy. And I don't think entering from here will be nice. So if we can see a stronger momentum, clearing out this high to the upside, at least that can give us, it's already happening, a stronger momentum. If it clears it out, then a retracement we can now buy BTC again from here, maybe take profit around this level. Let's get price to clear this high, because now it is reacting on this origin as a key level. It's no longer more like another block candlestick, because price has already mitigated it, which is here when price tapped in. But now it's back into that level. And BTC, I know, respects key levels a lot. So that's why I'm still considering that, okay, we may have a push up again from here. But now, let's just wait for a buy confirmation, a more buy confirmation here. So it's already pushing up. If we can get price, because this is the only stumbling block that can hold back this buy, which is this level here. So if price should give us this break of structure there, or let me just call it change of character around that level. If price can give a change of character, then any retracements, guys, don't hesitate. We'll buy BTC again and take profit around this level. We'll take profit around this level. So this is just the drawing I have. You can go ahead and take a screenshot, so that even if I take time in notifying you guys, you can take the trade from your own end. Just allow price to break out from this level. If you're actually buying from here, let's say immediately price there, this would have been a take profit level. But now we cannot just take trades from here, because there's a key level there that is the price retraced from there. So if price can break it, then we'll know that the buyers are in. Forget a break, any retracement will take off from there. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Any retracement will take off from there on BTC. So take note, 15 minutes time frame. We are still looking out for a buy on BTC. You can see this particular candlestick already closed there. They're still finding it difficult to break that level. So that's why I said I don't want us to buy there now, because it's more like to be a stumbling block. But if you can get a break, the bullish candlestick is opening. A break retracement, we are getting in, guys. We're getting in. A break retracement, like let's get this change of character, and then any retracement, even if it's inside this level or around this other block, we're getting in. So let's have that in mind as we are looking at other pairs. So I can see EU and GU on the chart. So let's quickly look at GBP USD. So on GBP USD, this was also, like I said, I was just looking at the chart yesterday, just trying to understand what's going on. So on GU, we've just been dancing around this zone. So I mapped out, this was actually the supply zone I mapped out. And as price got there, retraced, came back into the demand zone. So it's just dancing inside here. But now we just need to understand what is the trend, so that we'll know the next line of action to take on GU. So generally on GU, we are bullish. Generally, on GU, we are bullish. Now you can see from, I also have this particular demand zone here, but it's still pending because from where price is reacting to now, you can see that we have this break of structure here, and this is actually 4 hours order block refined to 15 minutes order block. So that's why it's more like this, because if we are looking at it as 4 hours order block, you can see this is where market is reacting to. So that's the order block you are seeing down there, my entry time frame. So we're still expecting a buy on GU. We're expecting a buy on GU, but it's just dancing around this zone. So let's look at 1 hour. So you can see price has mitigated this order block. It's for it to dish out its movement. It's for this order block now to dish out its movement. Now this is where, if market should get here, it will retrace and still come back to the order block, but the sellers are still finding it difficult to break this level, and I'm expecting the buyers to break to the upside on GU. So we are still buying GU massively. We are still buying GU. So now, how can we join this particular buy now? How can we join what is happening currently? Because now we have this key level here that may also be a stumbling block for GU. Okay, so personally for me, this is what I'm going to do. Since we've already missed out from this push, if we get a retracement into this zone again, we can buy GU from here. If we get a retracement, someone said BTC has broken that high. Nice, nice, nice. Let's look at it. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. So guys, any retracement on BTC, we are buying. So let me map out around this level. Any retracements inside this level, guys, we are buying. Any retracement inside here, we'll buy and take it to this level. We've already gotten the push, the proof that the buyers are in. So I'll just put an alert. Any retracement, if you trade BTC, we are buying BTC once price gets here. So the stop loss will be around this level. So it's going to be around 50 pips. We'll take profit around here. So it's going to be 1:2, 50 to catch 100. 50 to catch 100. So I know most of you may be asking, why is my stop loss not refined like this? Guys, we have an order block here. This is also another block. So if the retracement is happening, price can maybe extend and mitigate everything here before it will move. I'm talking from experience. So that's why I don't, go into refining my stop loss here. So we're just going to leave it at 47 pips. So guys, just be watching, just like someone informed me that it has broken that high. Be watching too. If we get a retracement, although we have an alert, so if price should get there, we'll be notified. Any retracement will buy BTC from that level. Let's go back to GU. Okay, so on GU now, if price should react from this level, come back down into this order block, we can buy again. We can buy GU again from that level because we've already missed out from this buy and we cannot join now. But then if we cannot get a break of this particular level, if we get a break of this particular level to the upside, any retracement too, we'll keep buying. GU is bullish, so just have that in mind. GU is bullish. So it's just this particular level that is holding it back. Yes, although we got this massive correctional movement, this sell-off, let's view it from the higher time frame so that you will see that it's a correctional movement. So this is it from the daily time frame. It's a correctional movement. From the daily time frame, you can see this is actually the origin that can retrace it. If we are looking to take entries now from the daily time frame on GU, we should be waiting for GU to get to this level. That is this other block here. We should be waiting for GU here from the daily time frame. But now, as I was doing my total analysis, I also noticed this key level here, which also caused a break of structure, and that is where price is reacting to. And that is where we want to take our buy from. We can only start targeting this particular level if price should clear out this particular order block here. But now the other block is still holding price back, so we can keep buying from there. We can keep buying. If this level here should retrace GU back, we'll still buy it again. We'll still buy. I'm expecting GU to break this level, but although even if we buy from here, this is still where we'll take our profits and patiently wait for price to break it. If price breaks it, we'll wait for another retracement. So that is it. But currently, don't join now, guys, because if you join, your stop loss can be, if you join now, a buy. If you join a buy from here now, number one, this particular level may give you hard time when you know the push. This particular level it may be difficult for buyers to push. So just like we've seen on BTC, we need to see that confirmation that the buyers are in. Yes, we've already seen from the healthy candlesticks here, so the buyers are already in, but we need to, you can see this is more like a range in 15 minutes. We need that breakout. We need that breakout. So if you buy here now, this is your stop loss will be around this level, because you will have to, cover up for these retracements. Although your stop loss will just be around 16 pips. And then it will be obvious that once price gets here, there must be a retracement, and that retracement can put you in a deep drawdown, maybe even stop you out, tapping in here again and will push up. So let's just wait. That's one thing you need to understand. Remember what I said when I started this section. Trading is all about you getting your strategy and having the mind to trade that your strategy. And when you're having the mind, it all depends on your risk tolerance. Some people may decide to go conservative when the trade will enter there, when the setup will enter, they'll just go conservative, enter. And some people may risk it all, go aggressive, flipping, they will stack and stack and stack. It all depends on how you want to do yours, how you want to make your money. So if you're trying to take that type of entry, you need precision entry. You don't need to enter anyhow. You need entry that even if you want to do full margin, it will dish out what you're looking for. So now I'm not trying to, if your risk tolerance is not that high, you can go very conservative. But if you know that you can take the risk, if price should get into your zone, what are you waiting for? Put lot size there and trade. But don't go and do pass yourself though. Don't do anything that will drive you into depression though. Whatever you're doing, make sure you have backup. Okay, that's what we have on GU. I will just be watching. I just need more proof that the buyers are in, because this level is still disturbing it. So we'll just be watching GU. All eyes should be on that our BTC. We don't need to miss out on that trade. All eyes should be on that our BTC. Any retracements, guys. Any retracements, we're not wasting time. Boom, to the upside. Okay, someone is calling EU. I was like, go hard or go home. That's it now. You know the drill. So someone is calling EU. Let me quickly, I don't have that on my watch list, so let me quickly add EU so that we'll understand what is going on there. Okay. Okay. What do we have on Euro USD? Personally, as I'm trading, as I have GBP USD on my charts, I don't bother looking at Euro USD. I just feel like they're doing the same thing, so I just need to pick one. So that's it. So from the daily time frame now on EU, I think we're still very much bullish. Let me just look at the most recent break of structure, which is this level. This is the most recent break of structure. And if we're looking at the demand zone from the daily time frame, we should be looking at this level for price to come and tap into this zone. But let's view from 4 hours. Okay. So this is the origin we should be looking for price to get into. I'm trying to refine it to 4 hours origin, because generally it causes work of structure. But just like we have on GU, we also have, you can see this is a tiny break of structure here. So break of structure is break of structure, guys. That's also what you need to understand, no matter how small it is. Once it has taken out a high, it's a break of structure. So we also have this, and you can see that is where price is reacting to, just similar to that of GU. That is where price is reacting to. Why this one is the origin that is pending. That is, if this one fails to hold, we can take it from here. So that is where price is reacting to on EU. Heading straight to our entry time frame, you can see price is already tapped in, and this one is not that far. So I guess taking a buy from this level now, from where the market is at. Let me check the stop loss. Okay, it's kind of massive. The risk to reward, it will just be a scalp, because the risk to reward will not be that. This is just 1-to-1, 1:1. So guys, let's just be patient. Let's not rush it. I don't like taking anyhow entries. Let's not rush it. So don't panic. Like I told you guys, we're kicking off today. So if you're not, all our analysis, if you are not in my Telegram group, because once everything clicks, I will still notify you guys there that we are getting in. So if you're not in our Telegram group, my Telegram group, just check the pinned comment. You will see the link there. You can join the Telegram group there. You can join it. I don't want us to rush into any entry. Let's just patiently wait. Let's wait. No rush. Let's be patient, guys. Yes, price just mitigated this one and it's pushing. Let's just be patient, because if we get in here, can take profit around this level here. So it's just a short 1:1 stuff, and I wouldn't want to risk capital in that. So guys, just calm down. Don't rush. We'll make money. Calm down. Just calm down. Okay, someone said I'm on a buy, so fine, that's good. If you entered from here, good. You can hold on to your buy and take profit around this level. If you entered from here, that is merely price tapped into this level. I've not placed any trade. All my funds are here. I've not placed any trade at all, so I'm just waiting. But if you've entered a buy from here, good, perfect. Hold on to your buy. If price should get here, you can take profit. Even around this level, you can take maybe partials, because you can see we have this other block weak here. So you can still take partials once price gets here, because there may be a retracement. And then full TP here. So guys, just calm down. This is just London section. We'll just set our traps. We'll get that set up today. So when I say we'll make money, guys. You don't need to rush. Don't need to rush. Okay, someone is asking, how do I join the Telegram? Okay, VIP. VIP is paid for, so hope you know that. So if you just check the pinned comment. I pinned a link there in the comment. So if you check there, you will see where you can message me if you want to join the VIP group. But if you want to join the free, that is the public group, I also drop setups there. If you want to join the public group, it's also there. That is Telegram, it's also there. But if you want to join the VIP group, I just have in mind that it's paid for, so that they will not come and be asking too much questions. That one is paid for. It's for private mentorship for those that actually want to understand the strategy and they need a closer watch on how they can be taking their entries, holding on to their trades, other things that comes with mentorship. But for the public group where updates drop, it's also there. So everything, all the link is there. All the link is there. Someone is asking again, how much is the VIP? So there are three packages. We have the monthly package, which is $50. Then we have the yearly package, which is $200, and then we have the lifetime, which is $500. So you can pick the package that you can start with, the one that you can afford. You can afford. and then you get in. What's happening on BTC? Someone said check on BTC. Okay. Price is retracing into our zone now. Are you guys getting ready? Price is almost there. So entry, it's not far from our entry. We can even start getting in from here, guys. We can start getting it from here so that it will not, or we can just, price is almost at our entry, guys, on BTC. So let's wait. If price should get into, I will get an alert that price is there. Let's not miss out on this trade, guys. We can even take registration entry now. We can take registration entry. So let me just register an entry there, a buy. So guys, remember, apply proper risk management, please. I'm registering an entry now, a buy on BTC. I'm not entering fully with the lot size I intend to trade with. I'm just registering an entry. I'm just registering an entry. I just placed the trade now. So guys, you can also do same. Then if that's because price has retraced and it's still pushing. Then if we get a full retracement, that this is when I will now inside this box I will enter fully. I will enter fully. But now I'm just registering an entry. Just a registration entry. So let's see. I'm in one of my accounts, but I still want a retracement. If it enters here, don't waste time, guys. Enter. Okay. So the registration entries are we're already in profit, just a little profit. So I still have my alert there. Any retracement into this box, I'm not wasting time at all. I'll finish up all my entries there. Finish up all my entries. Okay, someone is asking US 30 and NAS 100. Let's look at that. I don't have that on my watch list too. Let's look at that, US 30. Let's work with capital.com. US 30. What's going on here? I traded this pair for a while. I just left it. You must not trade everything. I just prefer trading gold and my BTC. Then I'll now add other few, currency pairs to back it up. Okay, on US 30 from the higher time frame, we are looking at the daily time frame now. We're looking at the daily time frame. You can see clearly we have this breakout structure here. Clearly we have this breakout structure here. And then if we're looking for the origin from this demand zone, someone's asking GU. I've analyzed GU. Did you just join us? I've already analyzed GU. Although there is no setup yet, we're just looking at it, we're just observing. But now we're looking at US 30, please, no distractions. Okay. So if we're looking to enter, generally US 30 we're bullish. So just be looking for how to buy. Just be looking for how to buy. That's the essence of doing your top-down analysis. Just be looking for how to buy US 30 because generally we're bullish. And then as you're looking for how to buy, if you also look at the order flow, how the correctional movement is coming in, you can still join the correctional movement. But if we're looking to enter from daily time frame demand zone, it will be around this level. Then if we view from 4 hours now, you can see where if we refine this to 4 hours order block, it will be around this level. It will be around this level. And then if you check what is going on here, this is where price is reacting to. Let me just highlight everything here. This is where price is reacting to now. So this is from the 4 hours time frame. So it's also a valid key level. So, and you can see it actually caused a break of structure after price got here and retracement. So it's a valid key level. So knowing this can be a pending demand zone, just like we have on EU and GU. So this is a pending demand zone because we have price reacting at this one now. We just need to work with what the market is showing us. So unless you want to be patient for price to get here, fine. But if we are working with what the market is showing us, this is the level that price is trying to retrace from now. So what do we need to do as we have price inside that zone? We just need to head straight to our entry time frame, look for reasons to enter immediately. Look for reasons to buy. Look for reasons to buy immediately. Immediately. Okay, so from where price is reacting at now, you can see this is more like an origin, more like a stumbling block. And for you to get a clean buy now on US 30, if price retraces into this level again, you can buy US 30 and take profit around this level. But now it's already pushing up. So these are the two things you can do now. If price retraces into this level, because there is an unmitigated order block here and we have this imbalance, which price just tested a little bit and it's trying to push up. We have this imbalance present and this unmitigated order block here. So, but now as price is around this level, wait for a break, because if you try to buy here now, you may just get a little profit and then markets may tap you out from here. That would now be a retracement. So remember I said if you're taking entries, precision entries, just like me now, the way I put my lot size in, I don't want to take anyhow trades that will put me in a lot of drawdown, because I need precision entry so that once I put in my entries, I'll know that okay, I have every reasons to do that. So trying to put in my entries here when I know that there's a room for price to maybe retrace, come back into this other block and push. Just this retracement alone can be very detrimental to my account. So I'm always very careful. So guys, a break from where the price is at now. But if we don't get that break and we get a retracement, this other block here, we can buy and just take profit around this level. So have that in mind on US 30. But a break, once we get a break, we already have the other block. This is another block that price, if we get a break now, this level is another block that price can retrace into and we'll buy again and take profit around this level. Around this level, guys, on US 30. But just have it in mind that we are bullish on US 30. We're bullish on US 30. Is that clear? Is that clear? So guys, we just have a few minutes to go, and if you have any question at all, just go ahead and drop. I guess it's time for questioning now. If you have any question, just go ahead and drop. Someone saying XAUSD, we've looked at that. Maybe you just joined late. That's why I always drop the link 5 minutes to the live section, 2 minutes to the live section, so that you can join early. On gold, you can see what we have. The buy has already taken off from here. Massive buy momentum that we missed out from. But okay. So if in this buy, if we get a break retracement, we can join until it gets here. But we're taking off on gold. And this is the demand zone. If you're wondering where it's from, this is the demand zone that we're taking a buy on gold from. Okay. So if you have questions, you can go ahead and drop now. It's time for questioning. So all eyes still on our BTC. All eyes still on our BTC. And then we also analyzed GJ, and I said a retracement here will sell GJ. Retracement here will sell GJ. So we're already having that, retracements, weak rejections here. Retracements here will sell GJ. All right, guys, if you have questions, you can ask. Okay, Question from Kensley. I've learned everything in SMC strategy and I'm not profitable yet. Okay, my dear. So I guess you generally need a proper mentorship, a closer watch on how you can use the strategy well, because you can see that is what I come here, that is what I use, and you can see I am making money with it. I'm making money with the strategy, and that is why I am boldly teaching it. So if you are trading with a strategy and you're finding it difficult, that's what I keep saying, that when it comes to my mentorship, it's not about the strategy. You're not just coming in to learn my strategy, because you can see I'm putting it out here all for free for you guys to understand my strategy. And now, remember the first statement I made when this live section started. Trading is you having a good strategy and then having the mind to use the strategy. Having a good strategy and having the mind to use the strategy. So if you have a good strategy and you don't have the correct mindset to use that particular strategy, it may still be difficult for you to like succeed with that particular strategy now. So what I need to work on now is your mindset as a trader, your psychology generally as a trader. So you've seen the packages I listed. All you need now is a closer watch, just a mentorship. Because if you've gotten everything about the strategy, then you need a closer watch on how you can trade with it and make money without fear. Without fear. Okay. Any more questions before I end today's live section? Okay, someone is asking for market structure mapping. Okay, I have a video on that dropping this week. So just stay tuned. Just be refreshing my YouTube channel. Stay tuned. I have a video that will teach you how you can and do your market structure, your top-down analysis, reading market structure clearly to understand the bias. So I'll be uploading it whether this evening or maybe tomorrow. So just stay tuned. I have a video on that dropping. Okay. Please, how do I insert the coordinates with BTC and gold? I don't really understand the question, but if you mean how to insert coordinates, just like this trade now we have from this is a position 2 now. If you check here, this is the entry price, $66,693. So just 66693.18. This is the entry price. This is the entry price. And then for take profit is around $67,650. So that's where the take profit is. Then stop loss is around $66,217. Just around this levels. That's how you can point out the coordinate. And if you're looking for the PEEP, how to know the PEEP calculation on BTC, I've already explained this before. Now, if you place your position 2, if you're looking at BTC, you will see the number at the center. So all you just need to do is divide. And sometimes you can see number up to like 5 numbers. Like here now we have 95,767. Or if you check here, if you check by the right, you will see target, which is 957. So there, if you just want to know the number of pips, you will just divide it by 10. For the number by the right, you divide it by 10, and that will show you that we are targeting 95 pips. But if it's actually the number by the center, which is up to 5, you can divide it by 1,000 to still show you that we are targeting 95 pips. So same thing is applicable to that of stop loss. Stop loss is just around 47 pips and we are targeting 95. Then for gold, it's still same thing. Oh, why didn't you see this buy? But that's by the way, guys. Don't worry. We'll make money. No rush. Our opportunity will not finish in the market. We'll make money. You can see how this one clearly happened. If you're observant a lot, like clearly, if you're looking at the chart, you can see change of character. Price came into the change of character and boom to the downside. So for gold, if you place your position 2, you can see the number at the center here. That shows, the number of pips. All you just need to do is divide it by 10. Gold, gold's one movement is 10 pips. Gold's one movement is 10 pips. Something is applicable to that of BTC. Okay. Something is applicable to, okay, someone is saying, how do I stick to one strategy because I keep changing them all the time and that make me not profitable? I don't know how to. You just need to force yourself to, because I would not allow. One thing with trading is just that all I can do, as more like through my experience and more like someone that is already profitable in the market, and I'm trying to like show you the way and the process. All I can do is to talk. At the end of the day, it's not left for you to decide, to force yourself into, getting into that profitability you need. Now, from your question now, you can see that you put there, you keep changing them. You are the person that is changing them. Now, you've seen me that anytime I come here to analyze the charts, anywhere you see me online, whether my IG, my YouTube, anywhere you see me, you'll notice that I'm trading with one strategy. That is my strategy. You always see me, I'm talking about my break of structure origin, price. You see, I'm sticking to my strategy. Not that I don't know other strategies, but you just need to find the one that works for you. I've traded with a lot of strategies, but this one is the one that works for me clearly. I understand every nook and cranny of the strategy and I'm using it to make money. That's why I'm sticking to it. Now, if you get the strategy, it can be my own or it can be any other one you've seen that you think works for you more. Now, you say you've been jumping from one strategy to another. So check out on that one that works for you more. Whenever you use it, you make money. You stick to that one. You stick to it and stop changing it. Just at the end of the day, trading is you versus you. Remember that. You just need to force yourself to stop doing the little bad habits, that stops you from making your money in the market. You just need to look away from that. Stop yourself from going into all those little bad habits. So stop jumping or changing strategy. Just tell yourself, okay, what's the name? Okay, sorry, I cannot pronounce the name here. I would have just used your name to do the illustration. Just call your name and say to yourself, I will just be using this strategy. Even if the urge comes for you to like change another one, you say no. You say what? No. Stick to one strategy. If the strategy is giving you what you need, if you're trying to take different strategies, you are just trying to give yourself much headache in the market because you don't know what you're looking out for. How will you not take your precision entry? Just like me, I know what I'm looking out for. Where a hunter is targeting something. I'm just looking out for it. If I see it, oh, just like we are waiting for BTC now. If he enters, oh, someone say it's already retracing, it's still dancing around here. This my registration entry is just hovering around the little profit here. Need this retracement. If he enters, guys, if you're coming to trade, have the mind. You're not here. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Have that good strategy. Patiently wait. Be patient. When he enters, don't play. You place your trade. Okay. Another question. When price reaches your POI for any trade, do you always wait for change of character to occur? Okay, I will only wait for change of character if that POI that price has tapped into is from the higher time frame. It's just like this one now. Okay, we've gotten change of character. This is an aggressive entry. Remember, this is an aggressive entry. I say if price should enter here, don't wait for any other confirmation. We've already gotten the confirmation we need. Just start entering if price should get into this particular level now. But if my POI is from the higher time frame, then if price taps in, I will come down to my entry time frame and wait for change of character. So stay tuned too. I will be dropping a video explaining my entry strategies. So just stay tuned, guys. I'll be ending the section soon because it's just a 1 hour section and I wouldn't want us to take much time because it's already 1 hour. We have 4 minutes included. Okay. What do we have here? What key time frames do you use? You can see them here. I do my top-down analysis from the daily, and then after doing my top-down analysis from the daily, then from 4 hours, I'll start mapping out origins I should start taking trades from. I'll start mapping out origins I should be looking out for, trades from. And after mapping out that origin, other time frames, all I'll be doing is refining the origin, refining it until I get to my entry time frame, and then that is where I'll now execute immediately. That is where I execute. Someone is asking, are you a swing trader or a day trader? I'm a day trader. I'm a day trader, guys. Okay, I guess I'll be ending the section with this question. Please, how can I learn your strategy? Okay, you can learn my strategy obviously by joining my live sections here every Tuesday, by watching my videos, the videos I upload here on YouTube, by also following me on IG because I drop little clips, explaining my strategy step by step. Or if you need a closer word, because I'm trying my best to dish out a lot for free. And then if you need a closer watch, where I can teach you, one-on-one, bringing you closer, not just a general class like this, bringing you closer to teach you, then you can join my mentorship group. And that one is paid for. That's my VIP group, which I have the monthly package is just $50. Then if you want to join you want to have access for 1 year, it's just $200. Then if you just want to do a one-time payment and you will never have to pay again in your life, is just $500. That is for a lifetime. So I believe that is quite cheap compared to what my mates are offering mentorship. All right, guys. Thanks for joining. So remember, next Tuesday, same time, same channel, guys. So I'll see you guys next week. And we can continue inside the Telegram group. We can continue there. So remember the pinned comment. Just go there, click the link. Anyone you want to join. If you want to join the Telegram group, that's the public channel. It's there. Just click the link. You will get access immediately, because on all the trades we've analyzed there, we're dropping the updates in the group, the ones we should trade, the ones we should forget about, the one we should, just stay there. More updates will be dropping. Then if you want to join the VIP group, that is my personal mentorship group, private mentorship group, it's also there. You can see where you message me. Just message me and write VIP that you want to join the VIP, and then. But if you want for the Telegram channel, you can just get access there. Then for VIP, or even if you don't want to message me, you can also visit website. You can just visit my website, make your payments there, and you will get all the necessary links needed. Okay, guys. Bye for now.